Good morning. This is a little video from 6 years ago that I don't think got enough attention. It's by a female. Her name is, I'll spell it, Tasie. She joined YouTube in 2014. This is a video involving a man. His alias is Little John. He's a stroke victim with hemiparalisys. That means a bent arm that won't straighten. Two cops started out with him, a male and a female, and then they called the rest of the... Well, you'll see the video.
Get out the way. Oh my God! What are you doing? Back up, get out the way. Sapphire, get out the way. I need you to get out the way. Somebody help! Somebody get out the way. PJ, get out the way, PJ. I ain't running from now, dog. I ain't done yet. I ain't done yet. Get the shotgun. Nobody give a fuck about a shotgun, nigga. Better use it.
Damn, some crackers out here.
Damn, he just got out too. Oh, look. Now they finna grab him. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? He just raised his arms in the air. All he did was raise his arms in the air. All he did was raise his arms in the air. I just want to make sure everybody in the right. Wow. Yeah, get Milo. He gonna get 8. Don't y'all dare fight. But see, if y'all get them routed, then it's just gonna escalate. We got black people involved. He said, "I don't know. I just got here." Oh, I got that on video though. Oh, I got this. I just went into criminal justice. I got this. I'm just recording anybody that's in handcuffs. I went to school with him. That jail gonna be full for anybody that don't listen. Here's my receipt. That's Zeke.
At least I know my tips.
All the tents out here say. Just maybe the people that's in them. Can you tell me? Because I believe I saw the same thing. That this man was not resisting.
I'm not at
He
all.
was, but I have it on video.
There's a few on that was
That he
recorded.
was,
That wasn't even right how you
Yeah, he was elbowing that man in the face and kneeing that man for no reason.
Punching him.
No reason. Hey, y'all better get away from my uncle called now. Yeah, they just jumped on Zeke for nothing. Zeke said la 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 like this, and the police came up from behind him and threw him on the ground. Actually, he tried to grab him and Alicia at the same time. And then the female and them officers ran up and grabbed her, and they threw Zeke on the ground. Zeke didn't do nothing but throw his arms up in there. I got it on recording though. He wasn't even nowhere near no police or no scene or nothing. He just threw his arms up and was saying something, and the police ran up behind him. And the one with the dog, he running around saying that anybody that say anything goes to jail. Well, I got a lot to say because I got it on recording. Yeah, you better uncuff him. I got it on video. You better uncuff him. It'll be your best bet. Yep, the cop stopped him. Exactly. Take the cuffs off him. Cause I got it on video. He didn't do nothing. Neither did he. Neither did Alicia. I got it on video. Oh, I got my brother. Me. I got all that. I got all that.
How you doing this, man? Look how you doing this, man. Troll fuck ass, man. That shit is fuck. Look how they doing this, man. Look how they doing this, man. Oh man, that's fucked up, dog. They done killed this man out here. Tro done killed this man. Tro done killed this man. Tro done killed this man out here, bro. So shitty as fuck, dog. Pussy ass. Pussy ass cracker. Right there, that killed that man. Pussy ass cracker.
He got to go. Let her go. Let her go. Tell him to let her go. Let her go. They got to go.
They done killed this man, bro. This man neck broke. This man neck is broke. This man dying. They steady pushing. Look at all these crackers out this bitch. All these crackers. All these crackers over this shit, man. Come on, dog. These crackers done killed this man, bro. How you gonna beat this man like that, bro? This man, the cracker broke the man neck. The man has seizures, dog. The nigga can't even move, bro. And they done beat the shit out of him. The nigga has seizures every motherfucking day, bro. And they dragging him. Bro, they broke his neck. He can't even move his head. Look how they dragging. Look how they dragging this man. Look how they dragging. Look how they dragging. That's not right, man.
Hey, I told y'all to get out right now.
Pussy ass cracker to me. I told y'all to get out the way. Now that man can't even talk.
Okay, we're out here with Florida Officers, where we were on Tuesday.